Tokugawa becomes shogun. Ieyasu was born into a family of a local warrior in several miles east of Nagoya. They were one of many families who were struggling to survive in a brutal age of war. His childhood was sacredly bright. His father, Matsuyidara Hirotada, was involved in a network of shifting alliances that repeatedly drew him into battle. When Ieyasu was 2 years old, his mother separated him and his father because of one such alliances, and in 1547 military advisors forced his father to send him away as a hostage to the Imagawa family, powerful neighbors based in Sumpo. However, members of the rival Oda clan to the west attacked his escort, and he was held for 2 years before being released in the Imagawa. Tokugawa Ieyasu was a person that became the first ever shogun, born to a minor warlord in Okazaki, Japan. Tokugawa began his military training in the Imagawa clan. Later on, he allied himself with very strong people with power, which was Oda Nobunaga, and then with Toyotomi Hideyoshi, expanding his land, then successfully attacked on the Hojo family to the east. After Toyotomi's death, when that happened, the daimyo had a power struggle. Ieyasu successfully won in the Battle of Sekigahara in 1600, and when that happened, he rose to power and became shogun to Japan in the imperial court in 1603 by Go-Yozan, but got removed in 1605. But even in retirement, Ieyasu worked to still defeat and neutralize his enemies and establish a family dynasty that lasts for centuries. Ieyasu capped a military career that lasted 6 decades with a victory in the Battle of Sekigahara in 1600 that left him effectively in control of the nationwide political confederation that Hideyoshi had forged. Nevertheless, although undeniably a politician, a very good general and a smart administrator, he owed his lasting success not to the strong ability in any of these areas over Nobunaga or Hideyoshi. Born within a decade of his former overlord, he lived more than Nobunaga by 34 years and Hideyoshi by 18. He made his army and administration largely on those of his most dangerous enemy, Takeda Shingen, whom he also outlived, and further shaped around policies introduced by Nobunaga and Hideyoshi. At birth, the son of a warlord, in death glorified by imperial acts as Toshodai Gongen, a Buddhist, this one-time minor ally of the first Oda Nobunaga and then Toyotomi Hideyoshi accomplished what neither of his senior partners had achieved: his power in inheritable form and founding a dynastic military government that endured for nearly 3 centuries.